Hey there! Today we are going to learn about asterisk args and double asterisk kwargs in Python. If you're a beginner and have seen these in some Python code and wondered what they are and what they do, don't worry. I'm going to explain it to you with a very simple example. So here, I have created a simple function called system specs, which takes the system name. But before we check this function more in depth, let's learn about asterisk in Python. So let's say I have a list of fruits here. Now when I print the fruits from the list, it will just print the entire fruit list as it is. It's essentially just this one list object that contains all of these fruit names. Okay, so in Python, when I add an asterisk in front of this list here and I print it, you'll see that it's printing each fruit name. This is called unpacking in Python. This asterisk, when used this way, is called the unpacking operator. If it's next to some iterator, like a list or a string, it will unpack the elements of that iterator. Now back to our function. Here we can do this in reverse. Let's say we know for sure the first argument needs to be the name of the system, but what about the components? Those are going to change from system to system, and this function needs to be flexible enough to take in an undefined number of components. Well, all we need to do here is put asterisk args as one of our inputs in the function. Now, if you don't know about this, we don't need to call this args. It's just the typical naming convention. We can change it to whatever we want, and for this example, I'm going to rename this to components. Okay, so down here, when we call our function, we can input as many components as we want. I am going to provide some components such as CPU Intel i9, GPU NVIDIA RTX 3080, RAM 32 gigabytes, and SSD of 1 terabyte. Python knows that this first input is assigned to the system name, but all the remaining inputs here get packed into this tuple called components. Then I'm going to print these components in our function. When we run this, you can see all our components are printed inside this tuple. So in this function, we can say we have the following components installed, and I can just create a for loop here to iterate through each component and print it. When we run this, you can see all the components installed, along with system details, are printed in our terminal. Now what about the double asterisk kwargs? How does that work? Let's say we need some extra details about our system, like what operating system it has installed and how much warranty it has. So in our function, let's add double asterisks details. Again, I'm not going to use kwargs. As I already mentioned, it's just for naming convention. So here, I'm going to use double asterisks details. Down here in our function call, let's say OS equals to Windows 11 and warranty equals to 2 years. These are known as keyword arguments. And in Python, these get handled by double asterisk details. The asterisk components handle these positional arguments and put them into a tuple as we saw already, and the double asterisk will take these keyword arguments and place them into a dictionary as key value pairs. To just show you that, up here I will print details in the function, and when I run this, you will see that it printed our keyword arguments as a dictionary, in which OS is Windows 11 and the warranty is 2 years. So we can use that in our function up here. For that, I will print system details and below it, for key comma value in details.items, then print with an F string inside curly brackets key colon value. So when we run this, you can see it printed everything properly down here in our terminal. I hope this helps you understand asterisk args and double asterisk kwargs in detail in Python. If you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more simple and easy videos. You can also explore our channel, where I have added a few more easy-to-understand tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.